Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'll be showing you a recipe for beach pudding cups. For this recipe, you'll need pudding. You can either use pre-made pudding or make some out of a box like this. I recommend using vanilla or white chocolate to make it easier to dye blue to look like the ocean. You'll also need graham crackers, a Ziploc bag, clear cups, blue food coloring, and optionally, you can add decorations like these drink umbrellas or even gummy fish or gummy sharks. So let's get started. First, we're going to start by dyeing our pudding blue to look like the ocean. So go ahead and take your spoon and add a couple drops of blue food coloring. Keep in mind, if you use vanilla like this, it is slightly yellow, so when you add the blue, it will turn a little green. So go ahead and add as many drops as you like. And mix it up. I'm going to add a little bit more blue. Okay. That looks pretty good to me. Once you're happy with your color, you can move to making your sand. So take some graham crackers and put it inside your Ziploc bag and crush them up. Try to crush them as much as you can so that it looks like sand. That looks pretty good to me. Now we can start making our cups. So first, start by adding a little bit of your graham cracker into the bottom of your cup. This is kind of like the sea floor. Next, go ahead and scoop some of your pudding on top of your graham cracker. This will be your ocean. There we go. Next, go ahead and add some more of your graham cracker to the top. Try to keep it on one side to look like your beach. Here we go. Now you can optionally add your decorations. I'm going to add a drink umbrella. Put it right on here. And there you go. You can see the different layers of your beach pudding cup. You have the sea floor, the ocean, and the beach on top. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.